Hi guys, we are using Adobe Photoshop in the iPad right now, and this is the first time I'm opening the app, and now I'm using the healing brush tool to remove this particular man who is really busy on the phone. So we will use the healing brush and brush all over. Let's see if it works. Great, because in the desktop version of Adobe Adobe Photoshop, we can easily select that person and fill it, or use the lasso tool and make a selection around it, and uh, and then use fill tool with content aware, which actually works like magic. Now herein I did not find that particular option. First my eyes went on to the healing tool, which also works really great. So let's see if this one can remove this particular person. Now this is the first time I'm using the application over here, and it's very handy, and it does not to remove everything about that person. He should not there be, he should not be there in my photograph at all, not even in the railings. And see how this spot healing brush tool is working great on the iPad. And to make minor edits, or it's very handy to use an iPad. So having Photoshop is really a boom, because not many apps like Photoshop can do things like this. And yes, to some extent things can be done, but not like this way. It's very handy, and there can be a better way to do this in the iPad as well, because I'm using the iPad for the first time, and I just wanted to remove this person. And because it worked really well, I thought I'll record it, I'll share it, and that's what I'm doing right now. And yes, it's almost done now. So let's see how the picture looks now. Yeah, that's pretty awesome, isn't it?